Hey guys, and in today's video, let's take a look at GravGrip, a hydraulic camera stabilizer that helps you get that really unique low-angle shot that you've never seen before. What is GravGrip and what it can do? Well, let's take a look at the video. So here it is, guys! GravGrip is a battery-free hydraulic camera stabilizer that levels out the camera and stabilizes on a tilt axis. So inside of the package we can find a GravGrip itself, a counterweight, a GoPro adapter, a screw, and a blue locking knob. Okay, so let me put it all together now so I can show you how it works. So this is how it looks like when you assemble it all together. As you can see, the camera is upside down and GravGrip uses gravity and counterweight to hold it in place and keep the camera level. In addition to that, on the side, there is a special hydraulic mechanism that smoothens the camera rotation on a tilt axis. In combination with Hypersmooth, it can record buttery smooth video in places where you probably will be too scared to use a gimbal. In fact, GravGrip is designed to work with Hypersmooth to unleash its full potential. The way this accessory works is very simple. GravGrip keeps the camera leveled, helping you to capture the right angle, while Hypersmooth eliminates all the extra shakes and vibrations. If you use it with a linear and horizon leveling, it's like a tiny gimbal on an extendable selfie stick. And if you use it with GoPro Max lens mode, then you have like a 360 degrees horizon lock with a camera that stays leveled at all times. GravGrip doesn't have a battery, it doesn't need it. There are no electronic parts inside of it, so you don't have to charge it, none of it. It's always gonna be ready to shoot and you can use it for the entire day. And since there are no electronic parts inside of it, it's waterproof, just like your camera. So it doesn't matter if it's going to be raining or you submerge it in the water, you won't break it. Whereas most gimbals can be used in wet environments, so that's really something. At the very bottom, there is a standard GoPro connection, so you can attach GravGrip to your selfie stick for that extra reach. That's gonna be especially useful for recording low-angle shots, having that camera closely to the ground, as you don't have to bend your back and knees to get the shot. It can also be used for a high-angle shot where you want to have that higher perspective and slowly lower the camera. But why not just use a regular selfie stick with your camera? Well, when you mount a camera on a selfie stick, its orientation remains locked, so you cannot freely change it from a low-angle shot to medium or high unless you manually adjust your camera angle or point the whole selfie stick in the desired location. And with GravGrip, your camera is stabilized on a tilt axis, so no matter if you lower your camera closely to the ground or you rise it high in the sky, the camera gonna remain level, so you don't have to adjust your camera angle anymore. You cannot also quickly rotate your camera and record what's on the other side. What's more, GravGrip can rotate in a 360 degree, so you can record yourself and then quickly change the perspective, recording either your friend or what's simply in front of you. So in other words, you don't have to manually unscrew your camera just to change the perspective. You can also adjust your camera angle, whether you want to shoot high, point your camera down, or keep it neutral. And because of that, you can get quite creative with these. I personally love to point the camera up when recording a low angle shot, and I use neutral position for like the rest of the time. Okay guys, so this is what GravGrip has to offer, and this accessory costs around $40, so I think it's quite affordable. On top of that, this accessory is compatible with all the GoPros that you have, and it's gonna be compatible with DJI Action, Insta360 cameras, etc. And I'm extremely happy to announce that you can win it yourself because we are doing a giveaway of this product. So if you want to win it, then all you have to do is to subscribe to both my channel and GravGrip on YouTube, follow me and GravGrip on Instagram, and lastly, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and write some positive comment. It's always nice to see some nice feedback from you. You will find all the information that you need to enter the giveaway under this video in the description. I'm going to announce the winner in around like 3 weeks from now, so good luck! It's the first giveaway on this channel and I'm extremely happy that I can share this amazing accessory with you. Once again guys, good luck, thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye!